Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials, your Doordash account and the gift card code. Open the app or website and navigate straight to wallet or account payments. This is where balance is live. Once there, tap Redeem Gift Card and carefully type the code. Caps and hyphens matter. After you confirm, the value posts to your account balance so future orders use it automatically. Make sure the card isn't already redeemed elsewhere. If it is, you'll see an error and will need to verify the source. With your balance available, build your order and go to checkout to control payment application. Under Payment, choose Doordash Balance so the gift card funds apply first. Otherwise, add or select another card for any remainder. If the balance doesn't cover the full amount, you can split payment. Doordash uses the balance, then charges the secondary card for the difference. Once you confirm payment and tip, review the final total and place the order so the balance is reserved, and the restaurant receives the order immediately. After placing the order, verify that the gift card applied by checking orders or receipts. You should see Doordash balance deducted from the total. If the code failed to redeem, double-check for typos, expiration, or regional restrictions. These are the most common causes. Once done, restart the app and try redeeming again. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. If problems persist, contact Doordash support and include a screenshot of the code and error so they can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.